a Merlin engine designed for the version of SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket that will carry astronauts into orbit for NASA, failed during testing Saturday in Texas, but the company said its upcoming launches will not be affected by the mishap. The test engine was set for a firing at SpaceX's rocket development facility in McGregor, Texas, but it caught fire during a leak check before ignition. The engine was a modified version of the Merlin powerplant that powers both stages of SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket. SpaceX experienced an anomaly during a qualification test setup of a Merlin engine at our rocket development facility in McGregor, Texas, said John Taylor, a company spokesperson, in a statement released to Spaceflight Now on Wednesday. No one was injured, and all safety protocols were following during the time of this incident. "We are now conducting a thorough and fully transparent investigation of the root cause," Taylor said. "SpaceX is committed to our current manifest, and we do not expect this to have any impact on our launch cadence." 9 Merlin engines are mounted to the base of the Falcon 9's first stage, and a single Merlin engine powers the Falcon 9's second stage. SpaceX's next Falcon 9 mission is set for launch from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida next Wednesday, November 15, with a secretive payload named Zuma for the U.S. government. Officials said the engine lost Saturday was not built to fly on a Falcon 9 rocket. It was a ground development engine for SpaceX's Block 5 Falcon 9 booster, which is expected to debut next year. The test bay in which the Merlin engine was housed sustained damage in the explosion, and it will take 2 to 4 weeks to repair the facility, officials said. An adjacent bay has superficial damage and could be back operational in 2 or 3 days. SpaceX is currently building and launching an iteration of the Falcon 9 known as Block 4. Test firings of Merlin engines for near-term Falcon 9 launches will continue in the other test bay. A company spokesperson said it has notified the U.S. Air Force, NASA and the Federal Aviation Administration of the test failure.